The Great Ramadan Quiz. Unlock the blessings.
Test your knowledge.
What is the significance of Ramadan in Islam?
B. It is the month the Quran was revealed.
What is the meal before Fajr, dawn, called during Ramadan?
D. Suhoor.
What is the meal to break the fast at sunset called?
C. Iftar.
What should Muslims say before breaking their fast?
B. Bismillah.
Which food did the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him often use to break his fast?
C. Dates.
What is the name of the special night in the last 10 days of Ramadan?
A. Laylat al-Qadr.
Which surah in the Quran talks about Laylat al-Qadr?
B. Surah al-Qadr.
What is the Arabic word for fasting?
C. Sawm.
Who is exempt from fasting in Ramadan?
D. All of the above.
What is the charity given at the end of Ramadan called?
B. Zakat al-Fitr.
What is the special prayer performed only in Ramadan?
C. Taraweeh.
How many days is fasting in Ramadan?
C. 29 or 30.
Which angel revealed the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him?
A. Angel Jibril.
What does fasting in Ramadan teach Muslims?
A. Patience and self-discipline.
When does fasting start each day in Ramadan?
B. At Fajr, dawn.
What do Muslims seek most during Ramadan?
B. Forgiveness and closeness to Allah.
What is the main reward for fasting according to Islam?
C. Paradise, Jannah.
Which Islamic pillar does Ramadan fasting belong to?
C. Sawm.
What happens at the end of Ramadan?
B. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated.
How many months in the Islamic calendar have fasting as an obligation?
A. 1.